Hey guys, this profile pop-up is for art. Now, speaking of art, I love the tie-in there. You got a cool artsy background here, culture, but I gotta tell you, Art, first things first, I don't understand exactly what your profile is trying to convey. I want you to make sure in seconds that people know the purpose of your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so here, your name is nice and short, unique. We get to see almost 4 words. That's actually very rare. Arthur is the only one doing better here, but just because he's got short words, right? But Director of Operations. Now, if I go back to your title here, and I click on that, Director of Operations, Photographer, Author, Seeker of Life. I know you got the blog. You can see that down here from your article. What is it you're all about? What are you trying to convey and talk to? Now, if you go down to your actual positions, you've got 3 current ones. If I go to tap into these, I don't have much background on them, right? You have nothing on the current 2, or actually the current 3, all 3 of them. But then even the things that you do have, you're listing the duties basically. That's not going to cut it. It's not enough. Here you've got great things about your licenses and certifications. You've got pictures of them attached up above. I want you overall to let us know in seconds what you're all about. And that's where the About section comes in. Right now you don't have enough there to help us quickly understand if we got this far, why should we keep going? I want you to not just list results, or not just duties, but I want the results. Also, bring up some of those 13 recommendations you have and turn off the competition. I'll leave it at that. If you want more, let's comment in below. Thanks so much. Have a good one.